Want to speak English fluently in your daily life? In this video, I'll teach you 50 must-know English sentences for everyday conversations. Let's begin! Break them into 5 easy sets of 10. Set 1. Greetings, introductions. 1. Hi, how are you? Used to greet someone politely. 2. I'm doing well. Thank you. A polite way to reply. 3. What's your name? Used to ask someone's name. 4. My name is Alex. Use your own name here. 5. Nice to meet you. Say this after introductions. 6. Where are you from? To ask someone's hometown or country. 7. I'm from India. Answer to the previous question. 8. What do you do? A common question about job or study. 9. I'm a student. Simple way to describe yourself. 10. See you later. A casual goodbye phrase. Set 2. At home or with friends. 11. Let's have dinner together. Invite someone casually. 12. Can you help me? Use when you need assistance. 13. I'm tired. Say this after a long day. 14. I need some rest. A polite way to say you're taking a break. 15. What's going on? Ask what's happening. 16. Nothing much. A common casual reply. 17. I'll call you later. Used when you're busy. 18. Don't worry. To calm someone. 19. Take care. A kind way to say goodbye. 20. Let's go out. Used when inviting friends. Set 3. In public or travel. 21. Where is the nearest ATM? Ask for direction politely. 22. I'm looking for a hotel. When you're searching for a place. 23. How much is this? Common phrase in shops. 24. Can I try this on? Used in clothing stores. 25. What time does it open? Ask about opening hours. 26. I need a taxi. Request for transport. 27. Can I get the bill, please? Used in restaurants. 28. Is this seat taken? Ask before sitting next to someone. 29. I'm lost. If you don't know the way. 30. Can you show me the way? Ask politely for help. Set 4. Office or school. 21. I'm running late. If you're delayed. 32. Let's have a meeting. Used professionally. 33. I don't understand. Use if you're confused. 34. Can you explain that again? Ask for clarity. 35. I'm working on it. When handling a task. 36. It's urgent. Used for important tasks. 37. Deadline is tomorrow. Common phrase in projects. Trediota. Well done. Used to praise someone. 39. Keep it up. Encouragement phrase. 40. Let's take a short break. To pause work. Set 5. General use. 41. What do you think? Ask for opinion. 42. I agree with you. To express agreement. 43. That's a good idea. To approve someone's suggestion. 44. I don't think so. Disagree politely. 45. Let me check. Before confirming something. 46. I have no idea. When you don't know. 47. It doesn't matter. To say it's not important. 48. I'm on my way. Tell someone you're coming. 49. I'll be right back. Use when leaving temporarily. 50. Have a nice day. A polite ending. Practice these sentences every day and your English will improve fast. Which one did you already use before? Comment below. OJ, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.